Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to make this adorable little elf in Santa's bag. So I was actually inspired by this that everybody was creating. Like they were creating memory dex cards and everything for Halloween with like a witch, with witch feet sticking out of like a witch cauldron. So I was inspired to make my very own SVG file, and I created a little elf in Santa's bag. So it's so adorable, guys. I didn't turn this one into a shaker. I still don't have the right cutting blade for my new silhouette machine, and this was just very difficult to make into a shaker because it's not meant to be a shaker, or the file wasn't meant to be a shaker. But it was very difficult to turn this into one. So there was a lot of like hand cutting on foam involved and just like not such great pieces. But I was thinking that maybe I could still turn this into a shaker just without the acetate, and we are going to do like a tool kind of thing. So I have my other pieces here ready. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, this SVG file will be available in my KK printable shop. I just think it's so adorable, guys. You're still going to have to decorate a little bit and things like that, but oh my god, so cute. Little elf in a shaker. What am I saying? Little elf in Santa's bag. And you could also turn this into a card base if you just do two and only cut off like part of the side. Do you know what I mean? Kind of thing. Well, you can turn it into a card base is what I'm trying to say. Which is actually what I might end up doing to this one. I might turn it into a card base because yeah, it'd be really cute as a card. So I have my sequins that I'm going to be using here, and I have my tool. We're going to try to turn this into a shaker. It might not be pretty, and I should have done that before I layered this piece on top, but because I already stuck this down, this might get a little tricky, so we shall see, but I really do want to turn it into a shaker. We're going to need this back piece only because I don't have a sewing machine, so I can't just like sew around this. I don't have one yet, guys, but I'm supposed to be getting one for Christmas, so I'm so excited. But yeah, so we're going to just do it the old-fashioned way with glue and hope that this works out. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is this little shaker part. Alright, so what we got to do here is we're going to cut down a piece, or cut out a piece. So this is going to be our little shaker. I'm going to put hot glue right here because I'm going to be having this fur. Well, it's going to be a fur trim, but this is going to go on top. So I'm going to put some hot glue there just so that this could stick to it. Okay, that seems to be all stuck there. The rest of this is going to be a little tricky because because we're going to fold this over. That's what we're going to do. And then we'll glue it to the back. So I could cut off this top now because this top is stuck down. I don't need this extra layer here. We're going to have, you know, that white piece going there anyway. This is what I'm saying. Like, it would have been easier if you did it before you layered on that top, but it's fine. Okay, so the next thing, we actually don't need all of this either. But basically, what we're going to be doing is just gluing the tool to the back, and we want to make it stay. So I'm just going to be adding glue, but I need another glue stick. Lately these days, I'm going through glue mad fast. Okay, so grab your glue, and you want to attach this to the back. No, I'm gonna get my little finger thingy so I don't burn myself. Alright, so we're not going to glue everything, but we want to glue as much as we can. So we're going to leave like one little side open to put the sequins in, obviously. So, hold on. I have my little finger dauber, whatever it's called. Is it even called a finger dauber? I don't know. But I'm adding some more glue here so that we could stick this on. Alright, and I'm just going to keep going around here and gluing. Do a little bit at a time. Just make sure you get the glue on there good. because once the sequins are in here, you do not want them to move. And great, guys, this is great. Nothing sticks to this. You totally need to get one. I'm just like pulling it tight before I press down too. I'm actually going to glue this part also. I don't need more glue here, but I'm going to do it because I want to be able to glue down that back piece on top of here. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my gosh, I almost closed this all up. Come apart, come apart. Oh my god. I almost closed this all up and I wouldn't have been able to add my sequins. Well, this is going to still be difficult to add in my sequins. I definitely should have added them in before. We got this, we got this. So you got to add in your sequins before you completely close this thing. Though this would be nice just to have as a background anyway, even if you didn't want to add sequins. All right, so I'm just going to add in some sequins into here before I finish gluing everything else down. Oh, look at the sequin mix, so gorgeous. And yes, I'm using a little spoon. I do also have some snowflakes that I feel like I should just throw in there. Guys, how cute does that look? Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and put my finger dauber thingy back on, and we'll be able to glue this shut now. Just gotta redo some of the glue that I did before, only because I need this to stay shut. But it's looking so cute. How adorable, right? So now I'm just going to add this back layer piece to the back because we don't want to see this ugliness here, right? So I'm just going to add some more hot glue. Trying to do this before it dries. Get rid of that evidence in the back, guys. Does this make it a little bulkier? Yes. But doesn't it make it super cute? Also, yes. Oh my god, how adorable. Oh, I missed a sequin. I love it, guys. I should have done that on the other one. Alright, so we're done with my sequins mix. So the next thing I want to do is add a fur trim. You don't have to add a fur trim. You could just add this like that, and I would actually probably just cut this out in glitter paper. It would look super cute. But I'm going to add a little fur trim to this. But to do that, I need this first. Without anything, I can't attach it to this yet, is what I'm saying. So just kind of like how I did here, I added in a super adorable fur trim. I think it just looks nice, like a nice little layer right there. So I'm going to add the fur trim here as well. I have this roll. I have it linked down below. I have like this extra piece. But basically, I'm just going to cut 2 strips of this because I need this to cover my Santa thing, and then we're going to cut off the edges after. Okay, so you need 2 strips, and I'm going to start gluing them down. And you guys will see, like here right now it looks super messy like that, whereas my other one looks super neat and like much shorter. It doesn't like go all the crazy directions like this one does, and you guys will see how I fix that. So for now, and you're going to have some fallout like of some hair and stuff, but it's fine. So right now I'm just going to add my fur trim, and I'm going to stick it on just so that it covers a little sleigh thing. And then the same thing with this piece, just make sure they're going the same direction. I think my other one was going the other way, but it's fine. This one could go this way. Okay, and just carefully add this on top, but kind of make sure that they blend in with each other so that there's no visible like line. See? So that looks really good. Now what we're going to do is just cut around the back of this. Okay, because we could get rid of all that extra fur trim. And don't throw this like extra fur piece out. You could save it for another project. Like this would go great on the mitten shakers. I have a die for that as well. I don't know if you do or not, but you could put it onto Santa hats when you're crafting. And I just have like a gigantic roll of fur trim, guys. I just purchased it, I believe, on Amazon. I wanted to get it just like a little bit from the store, but Michael's was charging like an arm and a leg, and then Joann's was charging like so much for so little. I was just like, you know what, it's just cheaper to buy the whole entire thing on Amazon, and I ended up gifting some in a swap. Okay, so I'm gonna hold on to those pieces, but hold on, we need to like these pieces, I don't need those little ones, but these guys, just make sure you get like the edges off, because obviously there will be some fallout since you're cutting through it. So you guys see how this is all like crazy and messy? What I do now is move all the hairs to one side. Okay, move them all to one side, and then just cut that off. Makes the hair shorter. Don't we do this with our eyebrows too, guys? Like if some of them are way too long. I do. I put them all like up, and then I just like trim them sometimes. Okay, and then the same thing, I just put them now to the other side, and I'm gonna trim. There you go. Now it's all nice and short. It's not going in crazy directions. I think this one is a little too fluffy for me. So let's just like put those up a little and trim that. Okay, and we are ready to add this to my card. Just make sure all the sequins are down at the bottom. So I didn't, although I did add glue here and they can't go past a certain point, there's still a couple of sequins that like got stuck up there. So just make sure they're down at the bottom until this dries when you put this on. Ah, look how cute. Looks adorable. I need another glue stick already. What am I using? Like a million amounts of glue? Isn't it adorable? So cute. All right, so then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put my hot glue on the side, and now I'm able to glue my other pieces because I already cut everything out. That part's super simple, but so I'm going to start gluing these guys down here. Okay, and for this, I'm just going to use some regular glue, so we're not going to burn myself here. Or not again, rather, I guess I should say. Okay, so we have that guy. Then we glue down this leg. Also guys, if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos and you're not yet subscribed, please make sure to click that red subscribe button down below. I'd love for you to join my crafty family here on YouTube. I just love crafting, and I'm happy to share my projects and my crafty skills with you guys. So I love that you guys are, you know, wanting to watch my videos and everything. So thank you so much. Just please subscribe, and also don't forget to click or turn on your bell notifications so that you guys are notified of when I post new crafty videos. And then I can glue these little shoesies. Okay, and now we're ready to add in these little pieces here. Just go part of the shoe. How cute, guys! All right, to decorate, I feel like we need some more green down here. So, you know, you could decorate a little bit. You just have to be careful because now, you know, this is a shaker, so you can't get all the pieces covered. I have this ho-ho-ho trim that I was thinking of kind of using. Like, wouldn't that look cute right here? Would it? Would it not? Ho-ho-ho. Oh, I like it, guys. I like it. First, I think I need like a little present box here or something. I don't know. We need something in green. Oh, maybe we'll do my tag in green. So like on the other one, I had like a little trim here and stuff, and I did this. This one's a little different. This one has like the sequin background, which is super cute, but obviously you can't add as much on top. So I'm thinking of doing this, but stamping it onto green. I think that might look cute. All right, guys, so I got my other pieces ready right here, my little present, and the do not open until December 25th. I do want to add this trim though, so I moved all of the sequins up, and I'm just going to slowly start adding my trim here. I don't know, I don't want to go too crazy with adding the trim, so I still want the sequins to move freely, so I'm just going to put glue on the O and on the beginning H. And hopefully that will stay put. So the O and the H. And that way my sequins could still move around. Okay, and then I wanted to add this little thing. I don't know, maybe this could go like right here, just popped up on some foam. So I just put a little bit of glue underneath that. And I'm going to add it right here. There's just glue on the bottom part. Okay, and then this guy, he's on some foam. And if I could just like stick him on top here, but let me put like a little ribbon through this first. All right, so I have this ribbon right here. I would love to know where the entrance is. Or like, not the entrance, but the beginning piece. I don't think I'm gonna figure that out though anytime soon. All right, well, we're just gonna cut a piece then. A little piece like that. So we just went into it and cut out a piece. Okay, so this is gonna go through here just to make it look like a cute little tag. And then we're just gonna add them here. So now these other guys, oh, they're not gonna move much, I guess, now that I have all the other sequins in here. But I don't want them right here because I want to add my foam. And we're actually gonna have to put him on probably some glue. Maybe like right here. I think I totally squished some sequins, but it's fine. We still need a little pom-poms for the shoes, and then that's the last thing. I got these little teeny little pom-poms, so I'm gonna add those for the shoes here. How cute, right guys? I think it turned out so adorable. Normally I'd add in little jemmies here, but I don't really think it needs it with all the sequins and everything. I'm sure there'll be some sequins that go down here like there is right now. So I could just slide some down there and call it a day. But yeah, it turned out so cute, guys. Here's an up close of this project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have the file linked down below for you guys in case you guys also want to get it. But it's so adorable. I love it. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.